In this video, we're going to go over this 12.1 PMT. We just want to go over a couple examples because some of these may be confusing. So let's start with question 1. They want us to give the coordinate for point G. You do need to put it in parentheses. You don't have to use this thing right here. You can actually type it. It's above, if you have a keyboard, it's above the number 9 and the 0. So hold shift. Use that. And G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can see the numbers down here. G is at 5. So the x value is 5, and the y value is -3. So our coordinate is 5, comma, -3. Now, recommend writing this down and then putting it on the computer. I think it's easier. And as far as quadrants go, the way quadrants work is the top right is the first quadrant, and then it goes counterclockwise. So you go this way, left, then down, then this way, then back to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So quadrant G would actually be on quadrant 4. Sorry, quadrant G. Point G is in quadrant 4. And then if you check your answer, you're going to get really frustrated because you actually have to put E in as well. So there is a scroll thing right here, which you have to scroll down on, or just use your mouse wheel or your touchpad. Make sure you're inside this white area, not on the side, not over here, but like somewhere in here, then scroll down. All right, now point E is going to be at, let's see, it is -5 on the x value and 4 for the y value. So -5 and 4, I'm going to type that in, -5, comma, 4, and then press enter, or I don't need to press enter. And then it's in the, let's see, this is first quadrant, second quadrant. So E is in the second quadrant. Why it says 2, 1, 3, 4, I don't know. Odd. Anyhow, check my answer, and that's that. So I can go on to the next one. It's checked off. Question 3, 4, 5, all very similar. Number 5 is when it gets a little bit different. You have they want you to put the point down, but if you want to do that, you have to click on this first, and then you can put it down. So -5 and 4. So x is -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5 and 4. That means I go up 4. So try your best to put it on there, -5 and 4, and check your answer. Very good. You'll see that in some of the other ones, it gets a little bit more confusing because there are decimal points. Like, hey, where is 4.5? Well, that's about halfway. Anyhow, remember, you can't just click around. You have to click on the point first. Let's go to 2 and 4.5. So 2 forward, 2 to the right, and 4.5 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4.5 is like 4.5. So it's about halfway right over there. Check your answer. Woohoo! And so the rest of them are like that, except for number 10, which is like a word problem. Try your best on this one. Again, this is one of those questions where there is a scroll bar, so you do have to go down. So try your best, 10 questions. Good luck.